Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A17 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change pattern lock password in your phone Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. Suppose if you have got bored of using the same pattern long time, you can easily change that one to new one and you can enjoy using your phone. So what you have to do? First of all, you go to open your phone with your current pattern. This is my current pattern. Okay, I have opened my phone. Then you go to the settings of your phone here, and then you go to choose here lock screen, and here you go to just pick up this screen lock and biometrics, and here once again you go to give the current pattern lock password. So current pattern lock password for my phone is this one. Okay, after giving it, it will show this interface, and here you go to again choose pattern. Now you go to register your new one. Okay, so draw differently now. Okay, different from previous one. Okay, previously I have used this thunder. Now I would like to use some other thing like this one. Okay, and keep remembering. Then click on continue. Again draw the same one to verify. Yes, and click on confirm. Now your pattern should have been changed from previous to new one. Okay, so yes, in my case too, I lock my phone and unlock. In my case too, it is changed. Now if I give the old one, it will not work. Okay, so I got to give the new registered pattern. Okay, so in this way you can easily change your pattern in case you got bored of using the same pattern very long time. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.